Monica Sharma, Assistant Vice President HR at KTL Private Limited. I joined XLRI Executive Program in HR Analytics because I wanted to strengthen the analytical backbone of my decision-making abilities. During this program, all the hands-on assignments which we have done and the way the faculty connects the theory with the real business scenarios helped me a lot. What I most appreciated about this program was the clarity of the concepts. The concepts were really very clear and it was taught in a manner it was very easy to understand. The modules on HR analytics were designed so that we learn how to take data-driven decision makings. Particularly the HR analytical program from XLRI not just changed our thinking towards our day-to-day decision making. They have taught us how to think strategically, logically and backed by the data. It was a transformatory learning which I mentioned specially for this program. The Jaro truly mediated very well and supported in all our queries and gave us a satisfactory answers to all our queries related to the technical part of this program. As number of time as we have asked them, they have supported us continuously. It has been a very rewarding journey for me and I recommend that whosoever professional who wanted to deepen their analytical capabilities and create their impact on their organization, they should join this program.